would like to introduce myself. My name is Gwen Stephanie Enat, and this is my introductory vlog. So first of all, I am happy and excited to be part of this subject. My expectation from this subject is to learn more about the Philippine popular culture and understand why it is important in our everyday lives. I also expect to discover new knowledge about our traditions, values, beliefs, entertainment, and the different influences that shape us as Filipinos. I also look forward to learning from my classmates and hearing their different ideas and experiences. In my own words, Philippine popular culture is the collection of things that most Filipinos enjoy, practice, and experience every day. It includes our music, movies, TV shows, food, fashion, language, festival, traditions, sports, and even the trends we see on social media. It represents our identity as Filipinos and show how our culture changes through time while still preserving the values and tradition that make us unique. Popular culture also connects with people because it gives us common interests and experiences that we can share with one another. One example of Philippine popular culture that has influenced me is social media, especially TikTok and Facebook. These platforms have become a part of my daily life because they help me to stay updated with the latest news, trends, music, and entertainment. I also enjoyed watching educational videos, motivational content, and learning new skills. Through social media, I can communicate with my family and friends, especially those who are far away. However, I also learned that it is important to use social media responsibly because not everything we see online is true. We should always think critically before believing or sharing information. So overall, I believe that Philippine popular culture is more than just entertainment. It reflects our way of life, our values, and the things that unite us as Filipinos. I am excited to learn more about this subject and discover how our culture continues to influence our generation and the future. That's all for my introductory vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you all have fun, meaningful, and enjoyable semester together. Have a great day, everyone!